So Halloween is actually 2 days from now, and this time I decided to do something a bit different. I realized I have so much content that would be so great to compile and share as this ultimate Halloween food guide. You can check out the full blog post that we're trying to get into right now. I have one other blog post that just talks about all the gear that I use. But if you're curious, you want to get into this stuff, regarding your food, regarding your passion, check out that link to help get you started. So some of the essentials that you'll see on the blog post is going to be my homemade pumpkin puree, which you can use in so many things, honestly. Then for anything dessert like pumpkin spice, homemade, it's always so good. And if you want to go the next level and you already made my homemade pumpkin puree and the pumpkin spice, then you can make the pumpkin sauce, which will be amazing in all holiday drinks. Now, before coming to Canada, my perception of pumpkin was completely different than what it is right now. See, my only association was with this special birthday meal that was cooked for me when we were visiting our ancestral home. It was this amazing veg curry made with pumpkin and potatoes served with puris. Unrelated to what pumpkin to me is right now. Although if you do want to check out what that veg curry is like, it's one of my all-time favorites. You can check out that on the blog post as well. Now check out the playlist for everything pumpkin on YouTube, including my high-protein pumpkin crepes, pumpkin banana bread pudding, pumpkin cinnamon roll pancakes, stovetop oats with pumpkin puree, my high-protein pumpkin cookies, which I'm making right now, and of course, something savory, something creamy, like my mushroom and pumpkin puree pasta. And lastly, if you don't care about pumpkin, you just want something Halloween themed, then the blog post also includes my Halloween themed pizza and Rice Krispies. It's a fun, spooky, cool time. The decorations out there that I've been seeing are amazing. Let me know what specific you would want me to make next year for next Halloween, or if you like this new format. I'll see you in the next one.